Hi everyone, and welcome back to Easy Art for You. Today, we're creating a peaceful beach house landscape drawn entirely with pencil. No color this time, just soft lines and gentle shading to capture the calm feeling of a cozy home by the sea. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe so you never miss any of our relaxing and creative drawing tutorials. And here's a question for you. If you could stay in a little house by the beach for a day, what would you do first? Let us know in the comments. We'd love to hear your beach day dreams. Let's take it slow, grab our pencils, and start drawing. Beautiful work, artists! Your pencil beach house looks peaceful, soft, and full of quiet charm. Thanks so much for drawing with us today on Easy Art for You. If you enjoyed this calm, monochrome tutorial, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our other pencil-only and nature-inspired drawings. There's always a quiet moment waiting for you here. Keep sketching, stay creative, and we'll see you in the next video.